This week's handheld gun review dives into the Glock 19 and Beretta 92, comparing specs, ergonomics, and daily use. The Glock 19, chambered in 9x19, weighs about 1.6 pounds empty, carries 15 rounds, and emphasizes a polygonal barrel and minimal recoil. The Beretta 92, historic 9 with a 15-round mag, offers a longer grip, smoother trigger pull, and open slide maintenance cues. This weekday focus includes history, design evolution from iron sights to night sights, and practical field tips for cleaning, lubrication, and magazine care. For visuals, use animated overlays of diagrams and royalty-free range clips with a safe live demo.